Welcome to The Fabulous. Today's lesson focuses on building a simple habit that is often overlooked, but highly effective. A to-do list. Have you ever stopped to wonder how much today's constant interruptions are preventing you from enjoying the life you deserve? In order to manage your time effectively, start a new to-do list, like exercising, drinking 8 glasses of water, or making your bed. Do it every morning. Just performing the simple action first thing in the morning can make your whole day easier. And it's a great way to keep you focused. It's like being captain of a boat. You set your course to your destination. And even if you drift, from time to time, you'll always get back on track because you've charted your route to your final goal. A to-do list is your daily map, showing you exactly where to navigate each day. Let's start by prepping your tools of the trade. Pen and paper is the way to go. Start by getting a notebook where you'll keep all your to-do lists together. No more scattered pieces of paper to lose. Plus, seeing your past tasks in one central place helps you reconsider your daily priorities. Don't just use an app. Paper unleashes your creativity, and you'll find you're much more efficient when deciding your goals for the day. With the paper notebook, you have no choice but to focus on the page and write. Keep track of important dates and deadlines. Next, set up a calendar system. An online version is fine for this, as it's only to remind you of appointments. You need to get into the habit of looking at your calendar and to-do list every day. Anchoring this habit. It's important to always do it at the same time, in the same setting, whether it's as part of your morning ritual or when you get to work. Remember, pen, notebook, and a calendar is all you need. Now, start building this habit every morning. Stay tuned for your next lesson, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video.